Ready?
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Okay. Hello YouTube. This is your boy Mr. C Wang. We're here unboxing the Umoro One. Check out that sweet packing tape. Yeah. Thanks Christina for receiving this. And yeah, sent priority mail. These retail for $29 online. Canadian, free shipping to the US for orders over $100. It's the next generation in Soylent Green consumption and Gym Bro technology. So I ordered a 2-pack. Oh yeah, check out that bubble wrap. It's so small. You really know it's protected. So there's one in white. I had the option of getting a single chrome one, and there's a contest right now. If you take a picture, you can get a ash gray or something. So, welcome to Umoro or Umora. Thank you for your purchase. Your bottle is one of a kind, just like you. Well, there's 2 of them. And then yeah, so limited edition. Hashtag Umoro. More like hashtag UBRORO. Am I right? Huh. I got a sweet gym bag, I guess. I don't know if that was part of the Kickstarter campaign, but it's mine now. So, the box, that's that. Let's go through the construction. So the top is a rubberized finish. How do you use this? Okay, so, bottom screws off. So this holds 20 ounces or 600 milliliters. And I don't know if this is like a shaker style ball or if this is something that needs to go somewhere else. So what does the instruction manual say? Reasons that I'll love this, so it's BPA free, dishwasher safe, let's assume, rather than read, because reading's for nerds. Your Umoro One is built to keep up with your demands, made of high quality. Okay, it's compact. So I just went through the volume, multifunctional. So the big appeal is this supplement ejecting technology, and that's why we got what's why we got the bro body sauce right here. No one calls it that. The design gives you the ability to drink your beverage separate from your supplements, and you can use your supplements when it's ready to drink. It's ergonomic, I guess. Like, I think their argument for ergonomics is that it fits in your hand, but you know, good on them. I think I have a standard size hand, so here we go. Good for you. Good hand choice. Does it? Phil, can I see your hand? Can we do one of these? Yeah. It'll fit yours. I just want to see like a monster hand. Can you grab Selena?
She left.
She left. Selena's got like tiny baby hands. She's like the size of this ball. You can hand wash this, the warning. Okay, how do you use this? French instructions. These guys are based in Toronto, even though it was free shipping to the States. Confusing. How do I get my bro body sauce? Instructions enclosed. Should I have gotten the chrome one? Okay, so I think this goes on this guy. Then let's assume that the ejector releases it. What the heck? Bro body sauce, how do I get you? So, black rubberized finish. How do I even drink this? That's a good idea. Okay, so that's how this works. So it's not that revolutionary. There's this top cap chamber just goes straight through, and then I assume this just releases. You release it really hard? How does that work? It releases, and then boom. Boom goes the dynamite, or the supplements. How does this work? that. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, if I die, it's because these were made overseas and it might not have been washed. So, throwback to unboxing number 1. We've got London Essentials unflavored whey protein. In that video, I couldn't find the scooper. There is a scooper. Here we go. The price has fluctuated, so it's just a follow-up. I've seen this. Sometimes it's everyday low price of $19.99 with discounted $2. Today I got this for $26.99, just for you, Thomas, just for you, which is the new everyday low price. So I don't know how that works. So supplements in the top. Yeah, I didn't. Just all that weight gainer. No, this is the isolate. Okay, so. We've seen from previous videos that it's been cloudy, so this is gin, just straight gin, and now we'll see how the alcohol mixes. So I'm fairly confident that this is a tight seal, but let's test that right now. So first off, there's no leakage from the supplement section. You pour the gin back into the bottle. It's clear. I don't know how ergonomic that is. Maybe a second vent, but it's definitely sealed fine. Doesn't leak. I didn't give it that tight of a screw, and nope. Let's go, bro body sauce. Oh no! I waited this long. Oh, come on, bro body sauce. Yeah! This is so much. I normally don't. I normally don't put this much water in. Yeah, let's just go for it. So that's that. I can see the added convenience, and yeah, I don't like carrying around my supplements. Not that I carry them around with me, but so I used to like have a little dime bag of whey protein. So I can see myself using this. Maybe I'll have to do a follow-up, but I think for $30, these things retail for like the regular ones with the shaker bottle. There's like 15, so it's up to you whether you think the added convenience is worth the extra $50. I do think the construction's pretty good. Give it a good punch. It feels very rigid, very solid. So for more, I think this is my last Kickstarter. This is the last thing I pre-ordered on Kickstarter. So for more unboxings, first impressions, and low-level dodgeball play, subscribe to youtube.com/Mr. C. Wang. Thank you, goodbye.